Yes. This is our new tutorial how to automatically pan sound from left to right automatically without you being manipulate it. So anyway, what you are going to do, you go to Mixer channel, you click on Future Loops formula controller. When you click Future Loops formula controller, you go to the mixer channel tracks by the pan left and right control. You go, you right click, you will see where the right link controller. Once you click link controller, you have to click it on the basic settings on it. So after you click it acceptable, then you have to go to the formula controller to input database. Then select on synth wave. You select this particular one. After you select the particular one, you accept it. You go to the formula controller. Yes, they have A, B, C. You have to be adjusting it little. So you'll be seeing this signal going from left to right, from right to left. So you have to adjust C to normally. After you adjust C, adjust B, then you start seeing it panning left and right automatically. This is how to pan sound from left to right, from right to left automatically without you manipulate it. So I hope you guys learn the tutorial. Please guys, follow my page Tech Pro for you to learn more, and follow my YouTube channel to subscribe. When I come and see you, thank you.